And we're back to learning Adobe Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a manual countdown. I've got a simple background right here. Let me drag it into the timeline and make it a bit bigger. Now right click in your project menu, new item, and click on transparent video. Keep the defaults, it should now have the same size as your background. Confirm it via OK and then drag it a little bit bigger. It must be on top of your background. Now go to your effects panel, type in timecode. Drag and drop it on your transparent video file. Right here in the effect controls you can adjust it. If you don't see that, go to Window and Effect Controls. There's the timecode. Open the drop down if it's not opened, and you can see the timecode right here. So it counts upwards. You can size it up. Change the position. It's a good idea to get rid of this box. We can do so via the blending modes under opacity. Just use screen for example. And now we can only see the countdown. But it's a little bit too much. We don't want to see the hours and minutes. So let's go to the effects panel once more. Use crop. Drag and drop it on the transparent video file once more. There it is. Go from left to right. You can also adjust it right here via drag. And we go from right to left as well. Now we only have the seconds. You can make it longer or shorter, depending on what you need. For me, around 10 seconds should be fine. But we want to have it counting backwards, so from 10 down to 0 and not from 0 to 10. Normally you can just right click and use speed duration and check this box for reverse speed, but in this case you need to nest it first, so right click on it, select nest, let me give it the name countdown, I click on OK. Now you have to select it again and in the effect controls panel change it to screen once more with the blending mode. And then right click speed duration, and now we can check this box to reverse it. And good news is we can now change the position and the scale without having to adjust the crop. So we can just do it right here. If you don't want it to start at 10 seconds, you can simply cut it. Press C for the cut tool, then delete the first part and readjust the second. And now it goes from 6 to 0. And this is how you can create such a manual countdown in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.